OXO BREW Conical Burr Coffee Grinder with integrated scale silver burr grinder. OXO on Conical Burr Grinder built-in scale measures grounds by weight instead of time, eliminating the need for a separate scale. Automatic shut-off ensures a precise amount of ground coffee every time. Durable 40mm stainless steel conical burrs create uniform grounds for up to 38 settings, from fine for espresso to coarse for French press or cold brew. High-torque low-speed motor won't overheat beans, preserving flavor and generating minimal static for less mess. Built-in overheating detection protects motor for long life. Use the single dial to switch between cups mode, grams mode or manual mode. In cups mode, you grind based on the number of cups of coffee you would like to brew. No bean detector won't let you grind if the hopper is empty. Voltage is 120 V 60 Hz. Hopper holds 16 ounces of coffee beans and features a trapdoor to hold beans in when hopper is removed. Groundskeeper holds up to 125 grams, enough ground coffee to brew 12 cups. The OXO Better Guarantee: if you experience an issue with your OXO product, get in touch with us to repair or replace it. We're grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience, and we'll make it better. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.